Should technology be used in primary classrooms? This is a question asked from a pedagogical standpoint, setting aside for this research the known dangers of cybersecurity. More and more headlines warn parents about limiting or even eliminating screen time for babies and toddlers. Pediatricians and psychiatrists are reporting findings of developmental delays in children subjected to too much screen time. If our kindergartners are starting school from the age of 52 months, should they be exposed to screens in class? For many children, the classroom is the first society of which they are a member. It is a time to learn not only ABCs, but to develop social skills, such as communication, problem solving, and collaboration. So, how is this possible if each student is glued to a screen? There are thousands of articles online about the pros and cons of technology in the classroom. Some, such as these, are obviously reporting very positive outcomes. However, in many cases, though not all, articles such as these are published by companies that sell tools, apps, and websites to schools. Scholarly articles are not always as positive. Recent articles are reporting that researchers confirm that the simple fact of adding computers to a classroom does nothing to improve grades or growth. In some cases, they become detrimental to the student learning and success. So, how is this possible when such a wide range of well designed educational technological products are available? Why do certain schools report successes and others using the same components do not? As more research is done, it has become apparent that the technology is not the problem, but rather the way it is being used. Learning activities that isolate one child per computer or tablet are much less beneficial. This setup is often used for individual projects that promote research and writing. Obviously, this does have its place, but it should be a very small part of the curriculum. Success stories appear to have three common characteristics. The first one being that the teacher has received training to learn how to use technology purposefully and interactively. The second, the activities involve a human component. Children should work collaboratively with the technology to create new artifacts. The social aspect of education needs to be present. Students learn a lot from each other. And the third factor seems to be that there's a proper balance of the teacher to technology ratio. As with everything in life, there is such a thing as too much of a good thing. The computer can never replace the presence of a good teacher and classmates. Technology does have its place in every classroom. It is important to remember that it should be a limited, collaborative, and creative place. Teachers need training in order to achieve this, but with proper use, there are no limits to the possibilities.